Okay, so this one of these resources, this is called Factorize. It's on the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics website, and I'm going to show you how to play this real quick, and then go from there. So basically, what it's asking you to do is it'll give you a number, and then it wants you to think of the factorization. So what are two factors? And if I look at this number 20, it's telling me that there are 3 sets of 2 factors. So I know one of them is always 1 times the number, or 20 times the number. So, and then they show it to you as a color. So they color this out. So this is 1 by 20, and its value is 20. Can I do 20 divided by 1? Probably not. You've already entered this pair. Yeah, so it's looking for the distinct ones. Thinking through, I know even numbers always have 2 as a factor. So I know 2. What if I switch it 10 times 2? There we go. And then I'm looking for one more. I know 3 is not a factor. 4 is a factor. 4 times 5. And those are the 3 factorizations of 20. 1 times 20, 10 times 2, and 4 times 5. What's nice is this really visualizes this. So this is all the same things. These are all the same value. They just have different parameters. And then you click on New Number. If you want to do your own, you can do that. This is 6. So again, I always like to start with the one with 1, and then it's even, so I know that. And it'll tell you if you get it wrong. So 16, let's make up one. 16 times 2. Oh, it doesn't do anything, so that's right. Oops, so I have to click back in. What happened? There we go. So again, this is practicing your multiplication. It's also giving you a visual idea of what these numbers represent. And this is called Factorize. Cool.